I'm excited what will be the taste of this. But it has many diseases that will eliminate from our body. I think this is enough. Okay, we will wash this, and then I'll put to boiling water. Okay, we'll put this what's this, bougainvillea flowers in a boiling water. We will try for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll cover. I'm excited to taste this. This is really the first time in my life. Taste somewhat juice of grape. I become beautiful with this drink and will be disease free. Nature of Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea or genus Bougainvillea is about 18 species of shrubs, vines, or small trees belonging to Floral family or Nectagenaceae, native to South America. Many species, as Cerny, only the woody vines have attained popularity. Several species have contained wide popularity. Also, several species have produced very showy cultivated varieties, which are often grown indoors and in conservatories, according to Encyclopedia Britannica. Benefits we can get from Bougainvillea. The aqueous extract and decoction of this plant have been used as fertility control among tribal people in many countries. It has been shown to possess anti-cancer, anti-diabetes, anti-hepatotoxic, anti-inflammatory, anti-hyperlipidemic, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-ulcer properties, according to NCBI NLM.gov. On the other hand, for long ago, in Mexico, have begun using bougainvillea flower or flowers for its medicinal property. Speaking about flowers, the actual flower of bougainvillea is the tiny white flower. This one inside it, or at the center, this tiny one. This tiny white is the actual flower of bougainvillea. And at the middle of colorful and papery petal or bracts. So these are called the bracts. This one, yeah, which looks and feel like paper. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, to gain the medicinal property, people usually boil the flowers and bracts with water and drink it. Or else, the flowers and bracts are dried, steeped in boiled water, and people are simply drink them. I have not experienced this, but I will do it. Next, the health benefits are mainly credited to phytochemical components of the flowers. It contains the following value. Number 1, pinitol. Number 2, beta-cyanine. Number 3, flavonoids. And number 4, alkaloids. The most acknowledged benefits is the ability of the flowers in dealing with respiratory problems. It includes the ability of Bougainvillea flowers in healing cough and relieving sore throat. This is according to Dr. Heaven team at drhealthbenefits.com.